How do you get rid of fibroids? I purchased, okay. The fibroids, again, you see, when the body can't get rid of waste, okay, it tends to encapsulate the waste to protect healthy tissue. So that's why these things come from: cysts, boils, fibroids. This indicates a lack of kidney filtration. And it's very close to the kidneys as well, right? This is the uterus. So you gotta get kidneys to work better. So kidney filtration, I would be on Fabulous 5, kidney tea, kidney flush tincture, kidney urinary tincture. I would, for you, especially for you, I would be on a 28-day watermelon only cleanse. 28-day to 30-day, however long it takes cleanse. And I'll also use herbs for the female reproductive area. I mean, we have one called Reproductive F. Okay, and has herbs to balance the hormones for females. Fantastic. That's what you do, and you keep on hitting until you feel better. Okay, sometimes though, the fibroids are too big. You might have to remove them surgically. Or you be patient, because if it's big, it can take a bit of time for it to reduce in such a big way. Okay, because remember, this effect took a long time to come there. It's going to take a little bit of time to remove it as well. Okay.